Hey everyone, welcome back to Design by Misha. Today we are tackling some common myths about interior designer, especially here in India. Let's face it, designing your space can be exciting, but there is a lot of misinformation out there. So if you have ever considered hiring an interior designer but held back because of some lingering doubts, this video is for you. Interior design is just about aesthetics. Let me tell you, while creating a beautiful space, it's definitely part of our job, and a good interior designer prioritizes functionality too. So we consider traffic flow, we consider storage solution, and how the space will actually be used to create a home that works for you and just not look pretty in a magazine. Interior designers are out of budget. Maybe because high-end designs are expensive, but talented designers like us know how we can work wonders within the limited budget. And we have access to a network of suppliers, and we can even source creative solutions that save your money in the long run. Designers impose their taste. My dear friend, a good designer is a collaborator, not a dictator. We listen to your vision, we understand your style and translate it into a cohesive design plan, because it's all about creating a space that reflects your personality. Only big home need interior designers. Small space living is all the rage in India, and a designer can be your secret weapon. We can maximize functionality in tight spaces, and we create clever storage solutions and make your small apartment feel like a luxurious heaven. Interior designers know everything. We designers are incredibly knowledgeable, but we don't claim to be all-knowing. We might have to collaborate with architects on structural changes or consult with contractors for complex installation, because it's all about building a team to ensure your projects run smoothly. Don't let these myths hold you back, and if you're considering hiring an interior designer, do your research, find someone who understands your style and budget, and get ready to love your dream home. That's all for this video. Leave a comment below with any questions you have about interior design. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and goodbye.